Now we're going to add our wash to our acrylic paint wash to our picture. So I take my brush, I dip it in the paint, I wipe it off on the side a little bit. Okay, and I have different colors for you to use. I'm using purple first, and when I paint over my picture, I'm going to do X's, X, 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 X. And you're going to get some on your manila paper, but you can see through through the paint to my picture. You don't want to cover up your picture because that would be bad. You would have to start over because you wouldn't be able to see your picture. So if you can't see your picture when you start to paint, stop and raise your hand and I'll come over. And the thing is, we don't want to have a smooth finish. We don't want it to look all the same. We kind of want a rough looking, or like different lighter areas and darker areas because it's more interesting. All right, and that is pretty good. Now, I'm going to just kind of go back over it. Now, I'm going to let this dry. So I'm going to take this over to my seat and let it dry. I could wave it a little bit too if I want to, if I can just hold down a corner, okay? And I can kind of wave it, all right? Now, when you're done, pretend I take this back to my seat. Then I'm going to come over here. Now, in this bin are different colored papers. Remember, you're going to make a number to add the symbolism part. I am making the number 18 for this picture. So I took yellow paper. I have different colored papers in here. White, pink, green, purple, blue, black, white, light blue. Okay? You're going to make two numbers and you're going to cut them out and you're going to do kind of a design with the Sharpies on top of your number, okay, to add. So you'll do the numbers while you're waiting for it to dry, okay? All right, very good, let's go.